Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to load Linux apps on Windows. Let's go. So first of all, what you want to do is to type on WSL. Make sure that it has this type of bit. If it has the Linux logo, aka the Linux logo, Tux logo, it means that that's the subsystem, Windows subsystem for Linux is not installed. Make sure it has the other things such as the Ubuntu WSL settings and the small and the capital WSL. If it's not capital WSL is the only thing here, it means that it's not, and it has a Linux logo, it means it's not installed. When you run it, when you turn it on, it'll say you need to install it. When it's done, you may need to do it. Go to Windows on and off features. Make sure you see Windows subsystem for Linux. Until that's done, turned on, it'll start working perfectly. Oh yeah, first of all, if it doesn't turn on, it may cause of you need to install it using command like I'll send you in the description the link to download Ubuntu for the WSL. Okay, let's go. Click on WSL. Once you wait till it loads in, it'll load in this one. This runs a Ubuntu system. Next, what you want to do, I'm gonna go on I saved all my things on my. So basically, when it loads into to Ubuntu, it'll take a while because it's finding its right system for its Ubuntu. So what it's gonna find is Ubuntu, and then it'll load in perfectly. Basically, what you all see is code. So basically, what this is because it's only in system code only. Okay, there you go. If you see this, it may be just normal. So next, what we want to do is now check my type in WSL. First of all, this, let's see, type in WSL. These are the ones that you need to type in WSL. Basically, you need to do. First of all, we're gonna do this code. Make sure you have to type it into the same code in files, so basically it works. Basically, I already done that. I think I'll just do it again just in case. So if it says it's already installed, it's already installed. Let's see. Next, when you do type it in, you'll say the password. It'll load in. First of all, it'll download the release of Ubuntu. If you see all packages saying all are up to date, you see this. So then it'll say, if you see all 0 means that I already installed it. So here's the next code. Type into this code. And typing into this code don't do anything, but it's beneficial. We have to do a start. Let's do a start. Let's start sudo, the service of the step 1. This code is used to know the ports of what system it runs on. So now you just type that code, then wait for it to load until the code comes in. Then you're up. This one's mostly recommended for newer versions of Ubuntu. If you're using older versions, I may recommend using this. So I'm gonna pick this one. Next, what I'm gonna do is type that in. You'll say this code right here. This is this local local port is 3390. That's what it's supposed to be, all 3390. This is your local. So next what you want to do is to go to Windows R and type in mstcsc. Then when you click on it, it'll take you to this. Make sure that the name has localhost 2.3390. I meant the two vertical dots, this one. And then it'll say username none specified. When it's on, you go check. You can know that this is your localhost. Click on connect. It'll load. Saying this, just click on yes. So it'll load in this, the remote desktop. Next of all, you just have to full screen it. Here's your username, and then you do your password. When that's done, it'll load in to this to black screen. But if you see this black screen, it means that it's successfully loaded in. So what you do is go to the top to go down. Look, so basically you can now see your system is running with. So next you can either go to internet. I don't know if it works every time I try to load it. This happens. You can go to file folders. You can run terminal. And then type in your code. So basically, when you see this code, you can either do this on the web browser. It may not be working because I don't know why. And then we go. Second of all, you can use terminal. If you're too lazy to put this code in, I'll put it in the link description. I hope you had a good time. See you later. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget. Basically, you need to, if you want to close it and you can't seem to close it, when you try to press the X buttons and nothing happens. Here's a way to do this. Here's in two ways. Even though if you can, mostly if you try to close this one, nothing will happen to this. But if you have the terminal, but basically, you have to close the command. If that doesn't work, basically the only way is to right click the taskbar, the Windows taskbar, and then what you want to do is click on Task Manager. And then what you want to do is type WSL on the search. When it says no, when it'll close immediately when the command closes. Oh yeah, I didn't know that will happen. Okay, so I thought you have to close via task manager, but you have to close the command too. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you later.